Abangan, Kimi, sure na magsasama sila ni Paulo sa pelikula.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming, you're the reason why, hiding by the baby.
Kim Chiu remarked that she is open to doing a movie with Paulo Avellino. In an interview with MJ Felipe of ABS-CBN News, Kim said, "Oo naman, pwede naman. Magandang kwento, magandang production at saka hindi natin mamadaliin. So bakit hindi?" As if she thinks Paulo would be also open to doing a big screen project with her, she replied, "Sa tingin ko, oo." Kim and Paulo are currently starring in the Philippine adaptation of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim on View. During the press conference of the series on March 9, Kim shared that the Philippine adaptation incorporated and highlighted Filipino elements in the story. As proud Pinoy, maraming nilagay ang mga writers namin and everyone involved dito sa paggawa ng Secretary Kim, the Philippine version. Maraming Filipino touches, such as family-oriented, or yung mga more comedy side, Kim shared. Actually, kapag pinanood mo siya side by side, medyo parehas siya, pero yung story namin is more Filipino and mas nakaka-relate yung karamihan. The actress remarked that it was such a breeze working with the cast and crew of the show. Habang ginagawa namin to, yung adaptation na to, it doesn't feel like work. Tapos, when we see the outcome and the finished product, hindi naman lahat napanood namin pero may mga clips lang na napanood sa tulong ng mga directors namin and creatives na parang ay ang saya. Nagawa ng mga Pinoy yung ganitong klase na pwede tayong makipagsabayan sa Korea. Ani Kim. Kim expressed her excitement about the series saying, "Nakaka-proud and very happy with the outcome ng palabas na to. And of course, we're very excited and very happy. Yun lang masasabi ko. Kinakabahan of course. Hindi naman mawawala yon, but we're very excited and confident this will be very good adaptation. What's wrong with Secretary Kim?" Hindi nga akalain ni Kim at Paulo na ganito ang magiging pagtanggap ng kanilang mga tagahanga sa naturang serye kung saan sa unang araw pa lang ay nagkaroon ng technical difficulties kung saan hindi agad nakapasok ng sabay-sabay sa panonood ang mga netizens. Kaya naman tumutok at huwag na huwag pahuhuli sa mga maiinit na kaganapan. Anong inyong magiging reaction sa video ito? Comment below.